Now listen, can I just say to you, there is absolutely no way in the world that we're going to get our star guest on stage this evening unless you lot are making a lot of noise. Are you ready to make a lot of noise? Okay, people on the left, give us a ho ho.
Come on. Yes! Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please will you give a huge Leeds welcome to the Squire of Crinkley Bottom. Please welcome Noel Edmonds.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be here, and I mean that because I realise that this is a fantastic annual occasion in the history of Leeds, and I am deeply honoured to be here for the centenary of the city of Leeds. I promise you, in the next 30 minutes, 35 minutes, we're going to have a lot of fun, and then you will see the most amazing...
Like Archie at all. It says down here that... oh, excuse me a moment.
10,488 or 28,945.
28,495. 945.
Well done, Archie. Very good counting. Brilliant. The full minute.
Yes, it's all that silage you eat. In there, the draft is going. You've got a full minute, Jeremy. Go on, get back of it, get back. And £1,000 worth of vouchers from C&A. Grab again!